You don't know everyone until you really know people. So if you're just marrying, I mean, in India, if you take marriage, it's not actually because of love. It is more of an economic proposition. Oh, so like this guy, if can this guy look after me, or does this girl's family have this asset? Something it's related to much more other things than just people understanding it.
What dating is for getting married,
No.
that you come to know the person.
No.
You think you can get to know a person
But
just
in
by
a
dating?
relationship, people can act
Yeah.
for a long time.
Obviously,
So
they
you
get
cannot
that,
know.
but you're not like legally being bounded out.
But
If you're
isn't
if
that
you're
what
married,
marriage is about? It's
yeah,
about.
let me explain. Okay, if you are bounding yourself in legally, marrying and you're registering yourself, so you have much more like why you for your relationship. Why are you involving the government? That's my problem. Because when you're marrying a person, you're legally telling that I am the partner of this person, and then all your like conflicts, everything is not handled by you both, but is handled by a code.
But then if you are in a live-in relationship,
Yeah.
it also can lead to sometimes lose life. Like she abroad,
Yeah.
investing 3 months with one person, then
Yeah.
they shift on how many more partners. Then they
What
have
is
kids.
wrong with that? What
But
is
they have kids on them. So that's a wrong family. Family's broken there. Don't you
yeah,
think?
how is it broken? The father still takes care of that baby.
But still, but
He
they-
visits, he makes time, or like it is not like see, it's like it's easy to bash. Yeah, foreigners are like this, or the Western culture is
No, I'm
like
saying
this.
it's an example I'm giving.
Yeah.
That is coming now down in India as well.
Yeah,
Yes.
I am for people exploring whatever they want to.
But
It's
in
marriage is not like that. Like marriage is someone telling you you have to do it. It's your responsibility as a father. It's your responsibility as a mother. Maybe you are as a mother you want to like work, but since you have married and you have followed this tradition, you will have ideas that I don't want to work. Your duty is to take care of your baby. That becomes your first priority.
But their mothers are still going to work.
Yeah.
But families in marriages are also
How many
You get
people
married
you
to a
see?
stranger or
How
something.
many people you see?
But at least they're stable with one person for that much time.
That's only because what the society will say.
How you know they are stable? Like you don't know their personal life. They might be like living in a shit relationship, but still, just because they don't want to get a divorce, they'll be like, yeah, jo
But
mil
some
gaya,
of
so
them,
mil
but
gaya.
some of them live with the
Conscious all the time.
Yeah,
With
and
your
even if let's pretend one guy is acting in a relationship, after she leaves, no, doesn't have that kind of what stigmas, societal stigmas. Oh, maybe she's if you're married and you leave your man or husband, anything, there is a societal stigma that they'll call you something. Oh, she has left her husband, or like that, something, divorce, anything. But when in a casual relationship, that's what it is like. It is bound between you two. You two are deciding what you want, and you two are enacting to it. But whereas in this thing, you're involving your family, your parents, your friends, everyone, and even the government. I don't know why the fuck you want to involve in your relationship with the government. The government can decide, because in the worst case, let's say like you are married to a billionaire and you cheated on him. Let's for an instance. Then if you are involving the government will decide what and all. Like it's just not about love. It becomes much more than that. It becomes about economics. Like what does this guy have? What does this girl have? It becomes much more than that. So in a living in relationship, even now if you and your partner break up, there is nothing kind of an exchange that you can have. But in a marriage, you'll have that.
But people can know that you are in a living. And
Yeah, that's okay. You decide to live it.
So
Dude.
still there is need, to keep moving on partners.
Yeah.
See how many partners
No,
she has. how many
that
partners
is. See,
she has.
wait, let me tell you. Just because like I am telling that living in relationship, I am supporting it, doesn't mean that I am for promiscuity. That everybody will like has this chance to switch on other people. I'm not for that. What I'm telling is you have an option to understand the person. Yeah. But in the casual, like let's say Indian relationship, that's why it works, because all these like families in Indian relationship, like they marry based on the economics. When I say that, if the guy has like a good assets, or like
Girl is in a good
earning,
job.
good girl is in a good job. How is she looking? Like let's say you're born ugly. I don't believe there is something ugly, but still you're born as ugly. So your chance of getting married to what you want is relatively depending on other factors. Is your father rich? What are you providing for the marriage?
Do you have a government job?
Yeah, government job. What are you providing for the marriage? That's it. It doesn't become, see, in casual relationship, you are the product. You are the product and other person is the product. But here, the product is
But even if
maybe your assets, maybe your money, maybe your beauty. These are all the assets.
Even if you're
Your
not-
education.
Yeah,
also.
education,
If
yeah.
you're
Even if you're
educated.
I'm married to a doctor in
You're going to
US.
live in for another 20 years. You're going to get married to that person sometime. Right?
No, not why. Why is it like
So
that?
why would you live with a person who's
Yeah.
not stable in terms
Dude, you
of
know
income?
that because see, some people there's a
I'm
great
not saying a high package. I'm saying at least something that you can suffice.
yeah, that is understandable, but like that if that becomes the selling point of your marriage, that's how like in Indian
Even
context
in a
marriage works.
relationship,
Have you like
supposed to say
visited
yes
like
to a person.
you have to visit some working class marriages, then you'll understand because there you know what the guy is selling. If you're visiting some village, no, oh, this person has 10 acres of land. For the marriage, I'm giving 8 cattle. This guy is putting.
We're talking about dowry.
It's not just it's
Because
not
dowry exists,
it is like another level of it's camouflage. It's not like directly dowry now in the current scenario. It's like I am gifting him. That's what they tell. But the gift is already expected from me. So it is much more complex than what you think. They'll tell that how okay maybe the girl's family is giving like the boy's family is giving like this much of gold. So it becomes much more complex than how you think. It's not about the people anymore. Then it's about family's expectation also. It's
So
not
what do you think about parents these days? Are they in for this thing of like
Definitely.
definitely do. They are the product of their generation. You can't deny that they all are different. Maybe some are different. I'm not telling that, but they still.
80% of the
I don't like know the exact numbers, but like you can get to know like depending on how your parents think, how your friends' parents think, like you can get to know what are their ideals. Like what do they think marriage is stable. I understand that context, but it is not stable in many sense.
but it's about committing to a person. I think. Like you're
Committing
to
is
one-
not tagged with that marriage.
Yeah,
thing.
why is
You're
it
committed.
like if for example, are you open for commitment or are you open for toxic commitment? Even if it is toxic, if you're committing, you have to be with the person.
Even living relationships can be toxic.
Yeah, I'm not
It's
telling,
that-
but there is an option of breakup without any intervention. That's what I'm telling.
There you have to go to court.
Yeah,
get
court,
divorced.
Go,
34
yeah.
months,
And if you
yeah.
have a kid, then it becomes much more complicated in a marriage.
Custody, getting
Yeah.
the custody of the kid.
What a-
At least if you want to make it like government or make it as like what
Good
agreement or
idea.
something,
Yeah.
you can take that step later. But
Yeah.
before taking that step, you might be dating a person, but you're not living with that person to know about.
Once you live with them, you'll know their
lot of things
yeah,
about
you know
that
their
person.
advantages, disadvantages, how like cracky they are.
But people
Because
can act very nice when you get married to that person, even after 10 years.
How long will they-
no,
that
that is
person
not
act?
that much. That, see how can you? Yeah, that is true. People can put up an act, but to what extent? In a like in pre-marriage, like there are a lot of cases. Like the guy will pretend so like someone else. He has an identity, but when the girl marries him, then that is a false identity. He just wanted to marry her, so like he did an act or something. That is like even Anisha was telling in one class, I guess, like someone like had like married, like he portrayed himself to be like a very rich gentleman and like kind of like showed off. Then when when the girl married, their family got to know that he was scamming. It was like a casual dating thing. Then people would not consider it that much. Now people like even if she wants to pursue another relationship, she has that tag of yeah.
divorcee,
I'm a divorcee, yeah. She can't, and that's not like I had a past or I had an exes somehow not that much strong than than to tell that yeah I'm a divorcee. I've had a husband like who cheated upon me. That is like a bit more vulgar, I
So
guess.
you think that having a living relationship and needing a partner and going to 3-4 people is fine?
It's not
Yeah.
always like
If
that.
that's what like if that's see, I'm not telling that people will do that every time. If they find that their partner is good, their partner is like if that is the person with whom they have to spend their whole life, if they feel that, then they can move on to the next stage or something. But initially, like what is like if you understand marriage in like in Indian context, no? It's not like how like you can see the marriage. Like I'll tell you the classic example: Amitabh Bachchan and his wife. Still, everybody knows that guy, even though that he has married, we know that like, there was some kind of gossip about him and Rekha. It is not just him. You can take like any like example of celebrity. Once you're married, if for example you take the example of Salman Khan, nobody gives a shit with whom he's dating. They give a shit. Like I'm not telling, but literally they'll not put a tag that oh he's a cheater. If he's just like dating another guy.
Everyone knows him for what he has done. For example, Aishwarya Rai was out in the open.
Yeah, but obviously that is one bad dating experience. But like if he had married and then done that, but even that is okay. That is like how you're like. I'm not telling that what he did is okay, but what I'm trying to tell is that in a marriage, if you do those kinds of things, like it is like legally bound. Again, coming back to
I think it can apply to living. For example, if you have a partner, you're living in for one day.
and also yeah. See,
But if you know that somewhere 10, 5 years, 6 years down, you want to marry her.
yeah.
So you're saying if you cheat on her, it's fine?
No, I'm not like for cheating. What I'm telling is, in marriage, if there is an option of cheating, no, there are multiple aspects in marriage. One is that first you can't explore the person. You can't explore in the sense you don't know the person that well before dating.
What if it's a love?
A love marriage, yeah. In that case,
Because
it is.
now many of them are going for love. It's not mostly into.
But still, they are like bound to this old traditional system where they have like what I'll tell, fixed societal rules. A man has to go earn, a female has to take care of her children. Marriage also represent all these things.
That too in Indian society
Yeah.
it does. Once you get married, you have to sacrifice a lot of
Yeah.
things. But when you're living in, you don't have that commitments. Like
Okay,
both
think
of you
about
are
living
into.
with a kid. Living with a kid, you have a kid. Then it's somewhere it's on the same lines. Like if you
No,
want to live and have a kid, you still have responsibility.
dude,
towards
and
the
it's
kid,
like
right?
see, in
Yeah,
living
yeah,
in
because
relationship,
father and mother doesn't be like it's not bonded with that agreement of marriage.
yeah.
Father and mother are the two responsibilities. It's there.
and you know, in a marriage, you're not just. It is also like a show off. It's like what I'm telling. It's a theater. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this comparison. In a marriage, you're not just marrying. You both are not just marrying and letting it go. You're calling all your relatives. You're calling all your friends. You're making a show. You're presenting yourself that you'll be with this person for your whole lifetime. And if that is broken, you are in a place where all these people can judge. But whereas in a casual relationship or in a living in relationship, what is happening is the agreement is between you both, and maybe other people might know, but you are not putting it in forward. You're not telling that I am reading this book, I am doing this thing. But in a marriage, you are telling it, you're showing it off. You're telling that yeah, I am marrying like this guy and I'll be with him forever. That's what marriage resembles or signifies. I'll be with this person forever. I think if that is what you want to do, people like seriously, if you want to understand a person, his flaws or her flaws, his advantages, what is good at, what is bad at, what can he take responsibility, can she take responsibility, to understand all this, you have to need more time. Not the casual marriage dating is like 2 weeks.
People date for years, like,
You know, there is a classic scene in Indian films. Wait, I'll tell you. There's a classic scenes in Indian films. The guy is visiting the girl's home, and the parents will be sitting, and guys and these people are new generation people. They both want to talk to each other. They'll tell, we'll sit here, you guys talk, or like they'll give them like a brief moment of like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, like that, and they'll talk. That is the casual. That is the time span of dating in. Yeah. Okay, love marriage for
love
instance.
marriage also. People date for years, like 10 years, 11 years, and they get married, and the marriage will be broken.
Yeah.
It's the same. Even living sometimes have that problem because people.
But then you
they
don't
act
have the
weird
tag
and
of divorcee. You can
that
move
is
on.
not there, but people.
When you are committing to that person, no, you don't care about judgment, because basically you have not cared about so many things, so you're not caring about the judgment also. If you're like being open with your partner, you're telling that, this is my past. So it doesn't matter. But like if the guy has some, like, it depends on the mindset of the individual who they are choosing. But when you're doing this, what living in relation, you can choose. You have the power to choose which person you're being with. In a marriage, it is, even though if you're choosing, there are other constraints that are tied up with it. People might say, yeah, oh, I married, like, even in, he can tell, I married a woman who was not a virgin. How is that? How does that make sense? Like, he's using that statement as a leverage to make her feel guilty or something. But in an open relationship, they also can like point, even I am being with a guy who has certain issues. They can tell that and they can communicate and sort it out. But even I'm not telling in marriage it's not possible. But when other people, like, you have to value other people's judgment also. Let's say, for one last example I'll give. If, like, for an example, in a marriage, if the guy's mom has an opinion about the girl, that matters a lot. But if the guy has a different perspective also, it matters a lot, because they have a relation here. They have a relation of saas bahu. It's not just like a casual, it's not like the guy's mother who you're dating. It becomes saas bahu, and it's much more complicated. There is a tradition involved. That is that always the saas, the mother-in-law, teaches the person, his son's daughter or something. There are all these, like, you can say that it is not written in our culture, in our tradition, but it is practiced. No, you all know that, like, when someone marries and goes into someone's house, that is like there is a power exchange. There are other kind of things happening there. If they want to have kids right now, but it doesn't matter. In a marriage, you're supposed to have a kid. In a marriage, after 1-2 years, they'll tell, it's your duty to have a kid. Even though you don't like, you don't have any problem, you have to have a kid.